guten Abend and good evening, and welcome to another episode of our little car vlog. So we're in the car with Pete and we are driving to Poser Mannheim, and we've been there last year, but it was a very small place. Today they rented a whole parking lot. Oh, it's a whole park house even, right?
It's a whole park house.
A whole park house?
It's a park house from a shopping mall.
So, a park house from a shopping mall. I think this will be pretty dope, to be really honest. Guys, I have really no idea what will come or where this night will end. But I can tell you this, I'm super stoked, because these car meets tend to be very long. Until 2 a.m. they said. It's 2 a.m. They close everything. They have like a food court. They have like even they gonna replay the Champions League final today, right? They do like what's it called? Public viewing. Public viewing there as well.
DB contest.
DB contest.
Exhaust fire show.
Exhaust fire show. It will be super loud. It will be super crisp, and we three now drive there because Peter's wife is there as well. And I'm gonna catch you up when we finally arrive at the meet. Welcome to the video, guys. Okay, I have hardcore Tokyo flashbacks because the last time I was approaching a car meet in a parking house, and already the driveway towards the parking house was crowded, was in Tokyo when we had to the Honeydew meet. And I can't imagine that this meet is the same size. See, there is a very cool M3. Oh, it's crazy. It's absolutely crazy what's going on here. So yeah, we're gonna check if we find a parking space, and then we will be right back. And hopefully soon we can start with some really cool clips. Already crowded with people. Oh, oh my gosh. Guys, really, this has so crazy Tokyo vibes. I feel so backflashed right now at the moment. It's ridiculous. Also, the Evo that we have in front, it's so loud. And the good thing here is everybody understands my language. And you know the people, so it's pretty amazing, to be really honest. So I'm really looking forward how this evening will go on. At the moment it's super crazy. What's going on is super crazy. I don't know, have we been to a meet like this? No. So first time, but not first time. So to you guys when we're inside finally, and let's see what cars we find. There you go. Alright, we're in, we did it, so let's go. So we made it to the entry. And it's directly escalating with rev ups, with it's crazy. We're gonna check upstairs if we find some cars, and I would say you guys now finally are watching some clips. because the music and the neck sounds are so loud. So this is crazy. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna lie. We also met some guys from MFlight. We have so much stands and lower cars, underglow neon. It's absolutely amazing. So we're gonna check now some food because I already get WhatsApp from a friend. Hey, you have to take some food. So I grabbed some food. You're gonna check some more cars. It's crazy what's going on here. It's super crazy. I don't have any words. It's the closest car meet to Tokyo. I've seen this here. Crazy. I would say we're gonna check out where that sound comes from. Okay, so that we know where this sound comes from, we're now gonna... But there are even people fixing their cars. It's crazy what's going on here. So, let me check if oh no! Every time I turn on the camera, that guy comes up.
MFlight, my guy Andy right here.
Hey, how's it going,
Oh,
mate?
man,
Good,
good,
hey.
Good,
You good?
good.
I was checking the beta car.
Bro, that chicken is ridiculous.
It's
isn't it?
crazy.
Like,
Absolutely
best
crazy.
under the hood, my boy. I mean, he killed it with Cosmic, but
Yeah.
when you see Vader,
It's crazy. Absolutely crazy.
yeah.
So I go and I'm sorry, I need to scream. We gonna grab some food, or I gonna grab
Go
some
get
food
some
now.
food.
Actually, we wanted this. Crazy! Absolutely crazy! Alright guys, so we're still trying to approach the food court and it's absolutely ridiculous what's going on here. I don't know if I have seen any commie that is that crowded. I take a chill place to capture some emotions for you. So, what is going on here? It's super crazy. So, even that's a huge party. I don't know if I've seen something else anywhere. It's so crazy. What is? I have no words. Okay, I tried to get some food again now for over 1 hour. I didn't make it yet. I finally will do because some people said, "Hey, you need to come over here." When we had some food, we're gonna check the ground floor because it's full of cars as well. And so far, a big shout out to Poser Mannheim. This is a blast of a car meet. If you wanted to know if any other country is better than Germany, that's your answer. Build your own opinion, come here, check it out. It's crazy what's going on here. It's super crazy. Nevertheless, I'm gonna grab some food now because I'm starving. And then we're gonna check out the ground floor. Vicky Marshall. It's so crazy, okay? Actually, we filmed the ground floor. I really hope you enjoyed it. We're back at the second floor now. It's crazy. The amount of noise it's just crazy, okay? So I'm gonna check out now where to go out, and we have one more floor to go. We're gonna check now the roof. Let's see if we find something there. If not, we're gonna meet at the ground floor. Alright guys, so as you saw, the roof is pretty empty, but to be really honest, this reminds me so hard to so many events we had in Tokyo earlier this year. I don't know if something else did even come that close, okay? Probably one of the best meets of the year so far. And honestly, I don't know where this night will end. I don't even know when we're gonna leave or how long we're gonna stay. But what is for sure, we're gonna collect some more cars, and I'm gonna, yeah, I think we're gonna chat when we are on our way back home, or even in the garage, because what we will do is we will have some food for sure, and we'll have some more conversations with the crew. Guys, I'm speechless. I mean, you see it, I'm smiling over and over, and that's not very often the case. I'm so happy to be here. Again, big shout out to Poser Mannheim for that fantastic car meet. Absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. So whenever you hear, no matter if you're from the US, UK, from the Netherlands, if you see a meet like this, they have an Instagram page, very famous. Make sure that you be subscribed and that you gonna come here. It's crazy. As you see, they have some more place to film, so I'm gonna go back to guys, and yeah, let's really see what this night will bring and how it will end. Super crazy, super crazy. Alright, let's get out of here. Oh man, this crowd, absolutely insane. Can't wait to get some food. Crazy, I mean, they're still sitting there. Look at this. So we are back home, and it's not even the same night or same day. It's 4 days after the event. I did just finish the editing until the point now, and I missed totally that evening to film the outro. So also it was very good that I forgot, because I had 4 days to clear my thoughts on the event. In one word, insane. Absolutely insane. I don't know if there was any meet in my life until now where we had these Tokyo vibes, where we had these emotions, that loudness, that power, that energy of the people there. Everybody was absolutely into car culture. Everybody was just a car guy or a car girl. Big shout out to Poser Mannheim. Fantastic meet. I'm looking forward for the next one. I will be there. I will film. Now we come to another special point, and this is especially to these 200 to 300 people who are watching every video. Thank you so much for your support, guys. Without you, this journey would not be there where it is now. Also, I love how you approach with me when you see me at the meets, you interact with me, we're gonna speak, we have a chat. I really love that community feeling. Thanks again to Poser Mannheim for a fantastic car meet. And also thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers. Bye bye.